Good day po ma'am. So, my name is Eroy Nepindas. So, ito po yung 1 week daily life video vlog challenge ko po. Ito po yung PPT. Topic outline, flow chart, daily schedule, workflow diagram, travel chart. So, ito po yung topic outline ko po. Monday, activity, sleeping, travel, eating, class hours, others. Number of hours, 7, 4, 3, 5, 5. So, ang percentage po niyan is 29.16, 8.33, 4.14, 20.83, 37.5, and the total of 24 hours is 99.96. So ito po yung mga percentage ng Monday. So ang flow chart daily schedule workflow is wake up, breakfast, labandera, prepare for school, travel to school, attend class, travel to house, change oil the motor, and dinner, and sleep. So ito po yung flow chart ko po sa Monday. Schedule workflow. Sa Tuesday naman, activities, sleeping, eating, travel, class of hours, others. Number of hours is 7, 1, 2, 2, and 12. Sa percentage po naman is 29.16, 4.16, 8.33, 8.33, 49.99. Sa total of 24 hours, 99.97%. So ito po yung total ng percent sa Tuesday po ng daily life. Flowchart daily schedule workflow ko po sa Tuesday is wake up, prepare for school, travel to school, attend to class, travel to house, change the brake shoe sa motor, then dinner, and sleep. So ito po yung flowchart daily schedule workflow ko po sa Tuesday. So gabalik-balik lang yan sa yung mga routine ko. Sa Wednesday naman is activities, sleeping, eating, travel, class hours, others. Number of hours is 7, 1, 8, 5, and 3. So percent 8.33, 29.16, 20.83, 12.5, 99.98. So the total of Wednesday sa 24 hours, ito po yung percentage, 99.98% sa Wednesday. So so yan po yung flowchart ko naman sa daily schedule flow is wake up, prepare for school, travel to school, attend class, then travel to house, this gagulay, then lunch, then dinner, and sleep. So ito po yung flowchart daily schedule workflow ko po sa Wednesday. Wala akong masyadong mga ginagawa po. Sa Thursday naman, yung activity ko po is ang sleeping activity, number of hours percentage sleeping is 7, 29.16. Ang eating is 1, 4.16. Ang travel is 8, 37.49. Class of hours to 8.36. Then others 5, then 20.83%. The total of 24 hours of percent is 99.97. So ito po yung total ng percentage ko po sa Thursday, yung mga activities na ginagawa ko po. Sa flowchart daily schedule workflow naman po is wake up, prepare for school, travel, attend class, travel, rest, then travel back to house, then dinner, then sleep. So ito po yung flowchart daily schedule workflow ko sa Thursday. Then sa Friday naman is yung mga activity ko po is sleep, eat, travel, work, and others. Number of hours is 8, 3, 2, 6, and 5. Then the percent is 33.33%, 12.5%, 8.33%, 25%, and 20.83%. The total of 24 hours of Friday ko po o percentage is 99.99%. So ito po yung total ng percentage ko sa Friday. So wala masyadong akong ginagawa. Ay mayroon din naman pero mga kuan lang, minor. Sa flowchart daily schedule workflow ko naman is wake up, gulay, breakfast, rest, playing with pamangkin, dinner, and sleep. So ito po yung flowchart daily schedule ko sa Friday. So kung isipin natin is maliit lang yung ginagawa ko sa Friday. Din sa Saturday naman is yung activity ko po is sleeping, eating, travel, work, and others. The number of hours is 8, 2, and 3, and 4, and 2. Sa percent ko po is 33.33%, 8.33%, 12.5%, and 16.66%, and then 8.33%. The total of 24 hours of the percentage is flow chart, daily schedule, workflow, wake up, breakfast, travel, cleaning, to lubong sa ako ang papa, ligo time, lunch, rest, and dinners, and sleep. So yan po yung ginawa ko nung Saturday. So mas kapoy ni nga trabaho. Sa Sunday naman, activity, number of hours and percent, sleeping 8, 33.33%, eating 2, 8.33%, travel for 16.66%, work 1, 4.16%, and others is 3, 12.5%. The total of 24 hours percentage is 74.98%. So ito po yung total ng percentage ko sa 24 hours sa Sunday. Work flow chart ko naman, daily schedule workflow is wake up, prepare for ligo, travel, rest, hakot og mais, then gisiler ang mais, then buladayon sa mais, then lunch, rest, dinner, and dance muna bago mag sleep. That's all po. Thank you and God bless.